You don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face, and you don't even need your own voice. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools, step by step, from start to finish. If you've ever wanted to get into YouTube but felt too shy or didn't have the right equipment, this is the video for you. Faceless YouTube channels are absolutely exploding right now, and for good reason. They're incredibly cheap to start. You can produce content much faster than traditional vlogging, and the best part, they have the potential to make thousands of dollars in ad revenue every single month. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you how you can build one of these automated content machines for yourself. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to pick a niche. This is the single most important decision you'll make because it determines your entire audience. Think about topics that have a lot of interest, like motivational shorts, in-depth AI tutorials, or tips on making money online. You could also do historical stories, meditation guides, or even tech reviews. The key is to stick to one topic. When you focus on a single niche, the YouTube algorithm can easily understand who your content is for, and it will start pushing your videos to the right viewers, helping you grow much faster. Once you have your niche, it's time to create the content, starting with the script. This used to be the hardest part, but with AI, it's a breeze. Just head over to ChatGPT. For this example, let's say we're making a YouTube short. You can simply type in a prompt like, write a 60-second YouTube short script about how AI tools can make money online. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete script for you. Make sure to read it over, maybe tweak a few words to match your style, and then copy that entire script. We're going to use it in the very next step. Now we need a voice for our video. You could record it yourself, but we're building a truly faceless channel here. So, go to a website like ElevenLabs or Play. HT. These are incredible text-to-speech tools that sound shockingly human. Just paste the script you copied from ChatGPT into the text box. Then, browse through their library of voices. You can find male, female, old, young, energetic, calm, whatever fits your brand. Pick a natural-sounding voice you like. Click Generate, and then download the final voiceover as an MP3 file. It's that simple. With our audio ready, it's time to create the visuals. This is where the magic really happens. Go to a tool like Pictory.ai, or you can even use the free version of CapCut. Upload the voiceover file you just downloaded. The AI will then listen to your audio and automatically find relevant stock video clips to match what is being said. It will also add animated captions, which are crucial for viewer retention, and even suggest background music to fit the mood. You can easily edit the clips or change the text style to make it perfect. In just a few minutes, you have a fully edited video. The final step before publishing is creating a killer thumbnail and a catchy title. These are what make people click on your video instead of someone else's. You can go back to ChatGPT and ask it for 10 viral title ideas. Think of something like, this AI tool made me $100 in one day. For the thumbnail, you can use a tool like Thumbnail.ai or Canva. You want bright colors, bold text, and a simple, intriguing image that creates curiosity. A great thumbnail and title can make or break your video's performance. And that's it. You've just created a complete, high-quality YouTube video using nothing but AI. You have your script, your voiceover, your visuals, and your thumbnail. Now all you have to do is upload it and watch your faceless income stream begin to grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips on building your online empire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.